Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Stuttgart. This is the Sunlight Cliff 602 campervan. It is a 6-metre campervan and it'll cost €60,500, 60,500. It is a relatively standard, if you like, Fiat Ducato campervan. It has got this big bed at the back. I'll see if I can put the lights on for you. The lights are on. I'm not going to do any better than that. Window on one side, enormous bed. I mean, it really is. It's not as big as this. I need to point out that what they've done here, they've hidden it a bit. I've got storage compartments down the sides with a divider in them. Nothing at the back. Windows and the doors at the back. This bit here, you've got a step up to the bed, you've got storage below. In here we'll find that we've got a very nice toilet for a 6-metre campervan, although it could definitely do once more, as always, something to hold things here in place, because there's a good chance they will fall out. Of course, if they use the things, they'd know that, and there's no ledge on that either. Again, that's a mistake. We've got the sink, fixed sink, good, I like that. And I think there's a lot of space in here, actually, to be quite honest. So for a vehicle, a 6-metre vehicle with a lengthwise enormous bed like this one, also is quite well done, is this kitchen block. We've got storage there. We've got 2 burners and a sink in there, and the fridge can be found here. Okay, the table isn't very big, but in the circumstances, what can you expect? There's an extension here which will make it about 50% bigger, approximately. We've got in here storage in the bulwark for maybe bedding or something like that. Captain's chairs, as you get in every single vehicle. Have a look at the back, see if there's anything here worthy of note, and you can remove that there. So if you want storage, that'll go all the way through. Here we'll find space for 2 gas cylinders in there, and of course, as always, all this will all come out should it be necessary. Right, good. So I'd planned on doing that in under 3 minutes, but I failed. It took me more than 3 minutes to do. So thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Stuttgart. If you're interested in seeing other vehicles, there are links below. This, of course, is a very basic Fiat Ducato campervan. Sunlight was created as a cheap brand for Hymer, and I think that is reflected in the price and in the way the thing has been done. Bye for now, thank you.